If you ever see your cat fighting a large snake, you can be sure that your cat will win the battle. That's because snakes, creatures that strike fear into the hearts of humans and other animals, are actually helpless against cats. This is because a cat's average reaction time is between 20 and 70 milliseconds, while a snake's is between 44 and 70 milliseconds. Snakes can only use this speed and reaction time to strike or dodge with their heads. Cats, on the other hand, can move their paws, head, back, neck, and entire body at that speed. Add in their predatory instincts, and it's no wonder snakes see cats as one of their worst nightmares. That's why people in villages and on farms keep cats not only to catch mice, but also to keep snakes away.